In the fast-paced world of RFID manufacturing, continuous delivery is key to staying ahead. Sasken partnered with a global RFID leader to revolutionize their engineering process, enabling faster builds and seamless delivery. With Sasken's expertise, the team achieved a 3x faster build lifecycle, quickly identifying and fixing issues with ease. And even during high incoming traffic, Sasken ensured 100% server uptime using container orchestration with Kubernetes. From DevOps pipelines to Kubernetes, Circle CI for orchestration, Selenium for automation, and CloudFormation for infrastructure, Sasken delivered a fully integrated solution. The result? Automated deployment of web portals, mobile apps, and IoT platforms, all visualized with Kibana and Grafana dashboards. Sasken accelerating innovation through continuous delivery and intelligent automation.